Okay, when we look at filters, what we want in our filters is that in a particular band, the filter should just pass the signals absolutely without any distortion, and in some other band, the filter should just completely stop the signals. But as we've looked before, that is not really possible. So, in general, a filter response would look something like this, right? On the x axis, you have frequency, on the y axis, you have gain, okay? And uh, you we could talk about a particular value, which let's call it the cutoff frequency, beyond which the gain becomes smaller than, let's say, 1 over root 2 or minus 3 dB. Okay, but before that, in the past, so this region of the signal where the gain is quite high, right? This region is called the pass band of the signal. So the filter actually passes the signals for frequencies from 0 to Fc or in the pass band. Now the signals which the filter actually stops, which would be, let's say, signals beyond this frequency towards this side, is called the stop band. So in the stop band, all the frequencies in the stop band are stopped, and in between the pass band and stop band, we might have, in some cases, something called a transition region, right? So where the gain has is less than what it would have been in the pass band, but it is not so less that we can call it say that it is already in the stop band. Okay. Now, even when the signals are there in the pass band, the signals, the gain is not constant in the pass band, not all the time at least. And sometimes you have what is called the ripple in the pass band. And similarly, you have a ripple in the stop band as well. So, ripple basically is the amount of change the gain can have for signals that are being passed or for signals that are being stopped. Okay. So you can see that we really don't have a ideal filter. Ideally, what we would want is this ripple to be absolutely zero, right? No ripple in the passband, so that the gain is exactly equal in the passband. We want this transition region to be absolutely zero. So we want the signal to be passed here and all the signals beyond the cutoff frequency to be absolutely cut off. But that's not possible. Again, you don't want any ripple in the stop band. You just want the gain to be zero, right? But in practice, a general filter that we find is something like this.